If you want a two-wheeler with strong performance, low maintenance, excellent mileage and heavy loading capability, then this video is for you. So watch till the end because today we will cover price, mileage, features, comfort and full performance review. Body. First of all, let's talk about the design. The TVS XL100 Heavy Duty comes with a simple but very practical design. The new graphics and body style give it a fresh and attractive look. Its lightweight body makes riding very easy in both village and city areas. Now coming to the engine performance. This bike gets a reliable engine that delivers smooth pickup and excellent mileage. Whether you are carrying heavy luggage or riding on rough roads, the XL100 performs very well without any problem. One of the biggest reasons behind the popularity of this vehicle is its mileage. People love this bike because it gives impressive fuel efficiency with low running cost. In today's time where petrol prices are increasing continuously, this bike becomes a very smart option. Talking about comfort, the seat is long and comfortable. The suspension setup also works nicely on bad roads and speed breakers. Even after long rides, the bike feels stable and easy to handle. The headlight design and front look make the bike look more stylish, especially in black color. The road presence of this vehicle is surprisingly good for its segment. Now let's talk about price and EMI. The TVS XL100 Heavy Duty is one of the most affordable heavy-duty bikes available in India. Many dealerships are also offering easy EMI options, making it budget-friendly for everyone. So, this was the full review of the TVS XL100 Heavy Duty 2026 model. If you are looking for a practical, fuel-efficient and strong daily use vehicle, this can be a perfect choice for you. Tell us in the comments what do you think about this bike. Would you buy it or not? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to PrimeMotorMax.